Welcome everyone, this is Asdin Ahyawi from etutoringhub.com. In today's video we'll learn how to set up WordPress in OVH.com hosting environment. Welcome back. So as we said, in today's video we'll learn how to set up your WordPress website into OVH site, okay, or hosting environment. So first you head to the OVH website and set up a new domain, or register a new domain and select a hosting plan, etc. So then after getting your activation email, so you head on to the address or the domain that you have selected. Then you will get your first page, or the front page of your website, which is not a website, but it is the first page which says site under construction, which means your website is not active yet. So here you have 5 options, the guys frequently asked questions, forums, contacts, etc. But what we need is the control panel, which will help you set up your channel. That's what we'll use. So you click on it and will take you to a new page, or the control panel, or the manager of your website. So you enter your password and your email, because this after you get the email. Okay, you need to check your emails on inbox. Then okay, so you will receive an email which will be saying that your activation is underway, etc. Okay, so after setting everything, you enter your control panel and you enter your name and password that you have selected. Then you click on login. Wait a moment until it loads. Okay, so here you have everything in your control panel which concerns your domains, your hosting plans, etc. So you head on, so to check that your domain is active. So here you have the information, the creation and the expiry here, expiry date, etc. Okay, everything about your domain. But we need to head to the hosting plan, and under hosting plan you select your domain or your address here. Click on it, a new panel will appear which will show you expiry date, state of service, if it is active or not active, etc. So here you have all the information related to your website. What we'll do next is just to head on to this list you can see here. So in this list you have the websites, emails, modules, etc. So what we'll need is one-click modules, and click on it. So here will as you can see, there is no modules because I have not installed anything yet. So you head on to add a module, click on it. Here we'll have a new panel which will appear. So I have WordPress, and we have PrestaShop, which is for e-commerce or a shop website, and we have Joomla, which is also like WordPress blogging scripts. And we'll select WordPress. So click on WordPress and then click on next. Here we'll move on to step number 2 or 4. I have not created MySQL or a database, so I need to do this. Okay, so create your database in your web hosting. Okay, you have. So I need to click on creating a database. I will select MySQL. Okay, so we'll select, I do have one. So then you click on next. Here you write your username and your password. Okay, so just a moment to write select your username. Okay, you need to remember your username and your password. Okay, so here as you can see that the passwords are boxes in red. This means there is some requirements which are not considered, so you need to consider all the requirements here. Minimum 8 characters, 12 maximum 12 characters, at least one uppercase letter and at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, and must solely made up of letters and numbers. Okay, so you need to consider this when you select the password. Okay, so after getting the respecting all the requirements listed, so you do not need to exceed 6 maximum characters in the username, and between 8 and 12 characters in the password. Okay, and you need to respect, as we said, the other requirements. So now that it is accepted, we need to go and click next. You are about to create the following database, so here they will make you or remind you about the new database that you will create. Okay, so just confirm and wait until the database is created. So the database will be created, so you need to wait for a short period of time until you receive the email in your box saying that your database is active. Okay, so we'll come back after getting the database. So after receiving the email saying that your MSQL database has been installed on the servers, then you can proceed to installing the modules. Okay, so let's go back to the control panel. Then, as we have done before, we had to add a module. We do the same, select WordPress and next. Now you select the database that you have created, so you will have a list here. So check the database that you have created. Okay, you will need to enter the passwords. Okay, for your everything will be complete automatically, so you just need to enter your password. This what you have not mentioned, that you need to save all your information, because you are the only one or the only part who has the password. If you forget it, that will be impossible to log into your website. Okay, so you need to make it in a safe, or save it in a safe place. Okay, for further, so just select your password, then you paste it. It is better to copy and paste in order to avoid mistakes. Next, you click next. Here you will use a new administrator. It's your name. Okay, then okay, so after correcting the administrator name, which should not include any other symbols, just letters. Okay, next is the same like on the other boxes. You must not include there are certain requirements that you should respect, the same side to make your passwords stronger ones. So just avoid the avoid what is not, what cannot be accepted. Okay, so enter valid password. Here also need to respect the requirements that we have talked about before. So just correct your the words or your names and your passwords to adhere to these requirements. Okay, I'm going to paste my new passwords, etc. So it's accepted. You can see that has changed from red to black. This means it is accepted. Next, you select your domain that you will use. Okay, select your domains from the checklist. Then select the language that you will be using in WordPress. Here I will select English. Next, select the path. Okay, so if you want to you use for this channel. Okay, so just select your domain, and then the installation path, you should leave this empty if you want your website to be hosted in the root. Okay, if you want to get another path, or if you have more than one website, then you need to select the path. Okay, next we click on next, and here you will have a short summary about what you are going to install, so to avoid any inconveniences. Okay, so we'll install WordPress version 4.3.1, and you have the address or the domain, and next the root or the path, and your database name. You confirm. Okay, click on confirm, and the module will be installed. So just after a short period of time after the completion of the installation, OVH will send you an email saying that the installation has succeeded, and you can start your WordPress site. Okay, we'll come back after completion. So welcome back. After receiving the email saying that your WordPress has successfully installed on the hosting system linked to your domain. Okay, next you go back to the control panel, and you will see there is a change. So you refresh your channel from here, then your new module will appear. So just click on it on the WordPress, and a new window will appear. Okay, so this is your new channel. This says that your WordPress site is ready for use. You can see that the channel was under construction. Now it has become available on the net. So the first thing to do is to head on to login. We'll log in into your WordPress, and write your name and your password that you have saved before. Okay, they are already registered for me, so just click on login. You log in, so now you are on the dashboard of WordPress website, and you can start writing posts, modifying your website, etc. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower, and connect you. Bye for now. See you next video.